In today's AI-driven world, image processing plays a crucial role in applications such as object recognition, vision question answering, and automated content generation. Hello everyone, my name is Rohan, and in this video we'll explore how to harness the power of Llama 3.2 Vision Instruct to build your own intelligent image processing pipeline. Alright, so now let's dive into the demo part. I already have the setup ready. It's installed on DigitalOcean H100 GPU. There are a few prerequisites or dependencies that I've already taken care of, like installing Python, creating virtual environment, PyTorch, HuggingFace CLI, authentication, installation of transformers library, and AWS SDK Boto3 library. We'll be using this in order to connect with DigitalOcean Spaces and upload the images there. Then we are using Nginx as the web server. Now talking about the code, if you see here, this is the place where the credentials for object storage go in. You can have a access key and secret key explicitly created for your bucket. And then what it's doing is the code is going to go ahead and create an image URL and feed that into the model, right? Based on the prompt provided, the image would be analyzed and there would be output that would be provided, so which would be our description. So let's see how the model works. So I'm already SSH'd into the GPU. I'll go ahead and activate the virtual environment. So app.py is the code that we had a look at. I'll go ahead and run that. Okay, so now that it's up and running, I'll just refresh my website and go ahead and upload some images. We'll start with a simple one. It's a simple image with 3 co-workers in it, and I'll ask the question, how many people are present in the image? Okay, and as you see, it was able to recognize that there are 3 folks in it. 2 of them are sitting on a couch and 1 of them is standing at a table. All right, let's try another one. Okay. Let's go with a generic question. Tell me more about the image. Okay, so this is the question that I had input and this is the answer. The image showcases a vibrant still life arrangement of mixed berries, so and so forth. Yeah, as you see, it's pretty impressive when it comes to finding information from the image. Now let's try something else. Okay, this is a bill of material and we'll ask about the total cost of that bill of material. Okay, so if you see in the table, the total cost is $72.31, and the model was able to identify that. And in addition to that, it has also provided details, some minute details about all the products involved in bill of materials. We'll pick another one. Okay, let's pick this one. So essentially this is an image with foreign language in it. We'll have the model translated. Yeah, so it identifies that the text is in German, and what it translates to is "Dear guest, welcome" in English. All right, so we were able to build an efficient VQA solution, which, as you saw, was easy to deploy and manage. I think as advancements in multimodal AI continue, integrating models like Llama 3.2 into production workflows will even more drive the innovation. Thank you.